In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can install Ubuntu Linux in the VirtualBox. In my previous video, I had already shown you how you can install Ubuntu Linux in the VirtualBox. If you haven't installed VirtualBox or if you are not sure what is VirtualBox, please check my previous video. I'll also put the video link in the description below so you can check from there. Before beginning, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. So what is Ubuntu Linux? According to the Ubuntu official page, Ubuntu is a Linux distribution based Debian and they compose mostly free and open source software. Ubuntu is officially released in the 3 editions: desktop, server, and the core internet things, IoT devices, and robot. Also, all the editions can run on the computer alone or in the VirtualBox. Okay, let's get it started. Before that, we need to download the ISO from the ubuntu.com, and once you download from there, click on download, and then you have to click on 22.0. This is the latest version. If you are seeing this video later on, so you can check on the latest version. If you click on here, you'll able to download the ISO here. So after this, you'll able to launch the iOS from the VirtualBox. I'm not gonna download right now. I will go ahead and cancel because I already downloaded. With that, let's go ahead and create a new VirtualBox. Okay, so create on the new one, and after that you will put the name. So I will put the Ubuntu 64-bit. I already downloaded for the 64-bit, and then I will use the machine folder as the default. If you want to choose, you can choose from here, and then click on next. I will put the at least 4 gig, and then I will click on next. Create a virtual disk now because I don't have any virtual disks. So I will create a new one. Click on create and click on VDI, VirtualBox Disk Imager. This is default and recommended. I'll click on next. If you have VMDK, you can attach from there. So click on next, and I will put dynamically allocated and click on next. And I will say 30 gig. 30 gig will be fine. If you want to, you can put any of them numbers. If you have like a free office space, you can use 2 terabyte. So click on create. After you create the VirtualBox, you have to power on that VirtualBox. I will select the Ubuntu and click on start. Because you have to verify all the settings, check the network adapter, you have to check all those, the storage system. If you want to click on settings, you can also change from there again. You have to attach the ISO on there and click on here, click on the choose disk file, and I will say download Ubuntu and click on open. After you attach there, you have to click on OK and click on start. You have to choose the first one, try or install Ubuntu, because I haven't installed already. So you have to choose the first one, which is try or install Ubuntu. Select this one. The installation process has been started. Alright, in this section you will install the Ubuntu. So I will click on install Ubuntu. So if you want to choose any other language from here, you can choose from here. I'll go with the default English, so I will click on install Ubuntu. In this section you have to choose the keyboard layout. I will go the default one, English US, and I will click on continue. If you want to choose from any other keyboard layout, you can choose from here and click on continue. So if you want to choose the normal, if you have the, like, let's say if you have low RAM, low processor, you will go with the minimal. So minimal with the basic web browser and basic utility. And if you go with the normal installation, there will be a lot of things than other. So you will also play, you have also games, media players, all those fun stuff. And also this is the optional. If you want to download all those updates while installing, you can choose this one. I will check mark on this one, and I will go ahead and click continue. In this section you have to select the disk So I will go the default. If you want to manually partition on the Ubuntu, you can click on the something else. So if you click on the erase disk and install Ubuntu, I will it will automatically install for you, and then it will automatically create a partition for you. So I will go the default and click on install now, and it will pop up the partition. This will create for you, and then I will confirm and click on continue. So in this section you have to choose the time zone. I am selecting the Los Angeles, and I will click on continue. If you want to choose any other, you can choose from here, and you can just click on this one, so it will automatically click on it. So click on it and click continue. Right here you have to put your name, and your computer name here. I will also say Spycyber, and I will pick the name Spycyber. You have to remember this one, and I will put the password. So if you have any active directory, you can use this one, and once you successfully install, you have to require password to log in. I will click on it. If you don't want to, you can choose from here. You can just click on it and click on continue. After that, it will install all the operating system, but it will take a little bit of time depending upon your computer or laptop performance. In this section, it is downloading the package. It may take a little bit of time, but really depend upon your internet speed. If you really want to escape, you can escape from here, but I'm not gonna escape because I want to update the package. The installation has been completed. You have to restart now. Click on restart. And I will do no, and then next. And if you want to turn on the privacy location, you can turn on from here. I will do done, and there you go. You are able to successfully complete it and install the Ubuntu Linux on the VMware box. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you can hack the Wi-Fi. If you're really interested hacking and then all those cybersecurity things, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you for watching.